I was asking you whether or not there's any real threat to oil supplies as a result of the turmoil we're seeing in Egypt.
Definitely so. I mean, just before the turmoil in Egypt, we already had very high prices as a result of strong demand growth and strong demand growth expectations for the next year. And the turmoil in Egypt triggered the prices, and we see Brent over $100, which in turn, I believe, is a risk to derail the economic recovery in Europe, in the US, and elsewhere.
But this most recent spike that we've seen, is that a result specifically of concerns about supply in the Suez Canal, or is this more of a concern amongst investors that Egypt could be a catalyst for more widespread unrest in the region?
As we know, the bulk of the growth in the global oil production is and will come from the Middle East. Egypt is not a major oil producer, but Egypt has one of the most important straits, if I may call so, dire straits for the transportation of oil. And this, of course, is a risk and considered as a risk by the markets. But as far as we understand, there is no real threat for the Suez Canal to be negatively affected now. But the general uncertainty about Egypt and beyond Egypt in Middle East and North Africa is a key issue.